grabs the vines, he wiggles through the twisty pines, and he says, "Ribbit, ribbit, what of you? I'm climbing to the sky so blue." Bob the frog meets a buzzing bee. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Bob the frog meets a buzzing bee. Oh no, oh no. He hops up high and swings on a rope. He slides back down, whoops, lost some hope. But he says, "Ribbit, ribbit, try again. Adventure's fun through sun and rain." Bob the frog finds a mountaintop. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Bob the frog finds a mountaintop. Hooray, hooray. He takes a breath and looks around. He hears the breeze, a peaceful sound. Then he says, "Ribbit, ribbit, I'm so proud. I climbed up high above the cloud." Now Bob the frog is headed home. Hop, 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 through leafy trails and meadows wide. Bop, 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 bop. He dreams of peaks and rocks so tall, and dreams of climbing more next fall. With a ribbit, ribbit, nighty night, he sleeps beneath the stars so bright.